What's the meaning of braw? Braw. Braw.
Braw. Braw. Braw is a Scottish term that has a few different meanings, depending on the context in which it's used. In general, it can refer to something that is fine or excellent, particularly in terms of appearance. For example, a person might say that someone looks braw when they are dressed up nicely and look their best. Additionally, braw can also be used to describe something that is strong or robust, such as the construction of a building or the durability of a piece of equipment. Overall, braw conveys a sense of something that is high quality or impressive in some way.